Well, thank you so much for stopping in. I want to just introduce to you a company that I'm going to be designing for, and it is Angel Dream Crafts Kim on Etsy. I will have her information in the details box of the video, so make sure you go check her out. This is the design team package. So you'll see that she has a little bit of everything and even so much more in her store than that's not, shown here. So I do want to show you though some of my favorite things here. I love these, and these are perfect for dangles. These are perfect for cards, a sweet little card to make for a birthday card to dangle this off of. I plan on using some of these for my baby journals. I just love, love, love these, and I'm not even in camera, sorry. I have something in front of my face a little bit too, so please forgive me. And these are gorgeous. I hope you guys can see them. They're beautiful pink inside with the little stones around the outside, the white stones. Okay, so then we have these beautiful, I don't know if they're angels or fairies. I guess they would be fairies since they have this down on the bottom here, and these look like butterfly wings. So there we go. I'm going to call them fairies. They're so super cute. And just so you guys have an idea, actually, I could do this right here. Um, you have an idea of the sizes of these things that I'm showing you. Here is the measuring tape, right? So I'm going to lay this right on. There's a 0. So it's a little over 1 inch. Okay, if it was from her head to the bottom, it'd be still slightly over a little 1 inch. And then this one is like a half an inch. The heart. I hope I had that camera. And then I'm going to go ahead and pick these up and put them here. So I showed you those beautiful items. And now these are cabochons, and they're flat, which is really nice because we can put them right on our journals, our cards, whatever you choose to. If you're doing a project that's not a journal or a card, that too. And also you can go get I think they're bales, if I'm not mistaken, in the jewelry world in the findings department. They're little circles with the hook here that you can actually glue these onto and hang them if you choose to. So those are really nice too. I chose this part of the package because I'm going to be starting a new uh, journal, a small one, and these are going to go perfect in them. And see the Paris. These are the Eiffel Towers. All four of these. And let's see, what else did I miss out here? So she's sent so much stuff. I was so pleased. I was, of course, excited as can be to see all her beautiful things. Look at those hearts. They're not, in person, these are going to be way more beautiful because my camera is catching glares and things like that. But they're so pretty. They're so, so pretty. I'm going to have my hand here so that maybe it will. Yeah, see how it focuses on my hands there and then it stops. All right, so I'm gonna stop there. And then I want to show you these beautiful little flowers. I love these flowers. They're gonna go great with my project. And so I just want you to know that they're just so easy to work with, and it's definitely a must-have. They're small enough for our journals, that's for sure. And then, of course, these bows. I love these little bows. And a lot of these things you're going to see that what I do to them is a little different. I won't be leaving some of this stuff the way it is. I'm going to be altering it for the project. So make sure you come back because this is a revealing, the unboxing. I just wanted to set it up pretty instead of pulling it out of the box in the package the way it was. And but this is an off-white, actually. This is cream compared to the white. And in this light, when I put the bright light on it, it really looks white. And I don't know if you guys can tell the difference, but it is. It's a little creamier than let me see if we can tell that. Look at that though. Isn't that gorgeous? That's so pretty. I love this. I love, love, love this. And then we have I love blue. I usually will purchase everything in pink, like for my craft room, things like that, but blue is actually my favorite color. I love blue. And these are stunning, and these are going to go perfect in my um, project that I'll be sharing with you. And so I love this is one of my favorite trims. I have had this in the cream forever, and then I started seeing this pop up in different colors, and she has them. So you got to get there though. I'm serious. I'm not just trying to create urgency. I have went there to buy things, and she's out. So people love her store. It is so affordable and quality is amazing. Again, look at this. I'm gonna slide this stuff off, even though I would have liked it stayed on there so you guys can see it all the way through this video, but you have to see this lace. This lace is just stunning. So I can feel it raised on this side, flatter on this side, so it must go this way. Look at that. Look how stunning this lace is. It is so pretty. I love it. And it's a great size too, because normally everything, she does have lace like this that you'll see next month from me, that's wider, kind of same designs, the scallop, but this one is an amazing size. I love it. It's cute. It's perfect for the smaller areas that we want to work with. So between here and here is almost two, and here's just a little over two. And I mean, this is just gorgeous. I will be getting more of this, Liz, but you'll see again a lot of this stuff altered in my next project that I'll be using with this stuff, these items. So the next thing is we got lots of these little flowers here. The next thing is this beautiful, I mean, look at these tassels. Look how long. I call them tassels for lack of better words. Maybe they are, maybe they're not, but I love them. And what I do, ladies, is sometimes, a lot of times, I won't even leave them that long. I will cut them here and not just leave them there and use that. I actually use these ends in other things, which you'll see. I'll probably be doing it in my next project. That's why I grabbed this one out of the kits that she sent. And so I just love this lace. And the top of it, look how many, to me, it looks kind of like a person. So here's the head, there's the arms, and there's the body. You see that? Like they're dancing, a bunch of ladies dancing. That's abstract to me, but I love it. I love this. I can tear this apart. When I say tear, I would fussy cut around here and use this as one design. I would use the petal here. I would call that a petal, either by itself or with these coming out of it. I just see so many different things in all the laces I use. So let me get this back to where you guys can see it pretty good. And I actually cut off some of this stuff already so that I can get it started. I'm going on a retreat at the end of this month on, well, the middle, basically, the 13th. I'll be leaving because we're going to stop somewhere before we to the retreat in Vermont. And so I want to get a head start on designing with these beautiful things. And let me get these back over here. And then we have, look at these flowers. Now, I have a hard time wanting to work with flowers, but when I saw her flowers come in, she gave us a sneak peek. I ordered personally every one of them, all the colors. I love these flowers. They are so gorgeous. And they're not gargantua either. Let me get my tape out and see if it matters to you guys. So it matters to me how big they are. So here, they're about 1 inch wide, and I just love them. They're so beautiful. They're so so beautiful and so shabby, you know. And then we have look at these with the satin rolled up in the middle. How gorgeous! Oh my gosh, I just love these. They're so elegant. Look, I'm looking at them. I'm pulling them over here by me because I want to just look at them even better. Look how beautiful those are. And they're small too. Look at compared to my fingernail. So there we go there. And it's driving me crazy. All this is just bunched up here. Like it's, nothing. But it is beautiful stuff. And you guys got to constantly see how gorgeous this stuff is. Okay, and now I think I have to show. Oh, yes. So I did cut off of this one, so I hope I did straighten it. Okay. Look at this. Do you see how many pieces are in here? Let's cut it this way. Look how many pieces are in here. And I've already cut off some of this because I'm doing stuff with it to get it prepared to use. And look how pretty. I mean, that's a piece. This is a piece. This is a piece. This is a piece. Of course, here's a piece in itself for this whole round oval here. Here's pieces there. And then this, and this make a piece. This is a piece of trim by itself, or you can leave the little mountains, as I call them, there. I mean, there's just so much to do with this, or you can just cut it here. I love, love, love this. So you'll be seeing this in the project too. Everything here that is pictured is pretty much going to be in the project. So be sure to check back in. Make sure that you hit the bell where after you subscribe, you hit the bell so that you get notified. Hey, Missy's got a video, a unique treasure. It's going to come up as. And then that way you'll be able to see all the things that I do with these wonderful, wonderful items. And make sure that you go and see Angel Dream Crafts Kim on Etsy. And again, I'm sitting here reading the card up close. I'm sorry guys that this is not, let's see if I can do it. Right, here we go. Ta-da, there it is. Well, you'll be able to find her. I'm gonna definitely have it in the details. So a couple things I need you to do. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you. We can communicate back and forth if there's something that you want to see or know how to do. If I don't know how to do it, I'll learn how to do it. And then also, I need you to hit that bell so that you will get notified when I do have a video. And then I just need you to like this video and leave comments on your favorite thing here. What is it that you liked the best out of all of this? Look at this. I just love this so much. This is so gorgeous. What is out of all these items, what was it that you loved the best? All right. If you go and see her store, let me know. Oh, before I forget, one big, very, very big detail. In the description box, you're going to see the other designers for her, and they're fabulous, fabulous. One of them I actually was following for a long time, and I'm so happy to see her. Her name's Charlotte Peterson. Make sure you check all of them out. They're all really good. They show you a lot of ideas that we don't normally see in the craft world. So definitely go in the description box. All the designers will be there. All right, ladies, have a blessed day. You deserve it. Bye bye.